What if I told you your brother or sister is from LGBTQ community? After hearing so many regressive, homophobic and orthodox statements pertaining to the same-sex marriages from several quarters, I thought, being a concerned citizen, I should put forth my viewpoints on the legal recognition to the same-sex marriages are concerned. Detractors of the same-sex marriages, they are of the opinion that same-sex marriages, they go against the social ethos. Critics are of the opinion that same-sex marriages would destabilize the concept of family. Some critics, they went on to say that these same-sex marriages, they go against the traditional value system. I have a strong rebuttal for all these arguments, presumptions, and flawed assumptions. Why should we provide legal recognition to the same sex couple or same sex marriages? Why there should be a legal status to the same sex couple? First, our constitution follows the spirit of rule of law. There shall not be discrimination to one particular community. We cannot have one standard for the heterosexual couple and different standard for the homosexual couple. It goes against the principles of fairness and equality. That's why we need to provide legal recognition to the same-sex marriages. Second, same-sex couple, they are also citizens, they are also taxpayers, they are equally entitled to their rights. Human rights are not the privileges conferred by the state. Same-sex couple, they need not to stand in front of the state with the begging bowl. Third thing, in order to protect the mental health of the same-sex couple, we need to recognize them. Because same-sex couple, they are being subjected to discrimination, they are being treated unfairly, and their family is disowning them. So in order to protect their mental health, we need to give legal recognition to the same-sex couple. And almost 30 countries, as of now, as of today, gave legal recognition to the same-sex marriages. So India, as it trumpets itself as a world's largest democracy, why should India deny legal recognition to the same-sex couple? And another argument is that same-sex marriages, if they go against the social ethos, how can we consider social ethos as a criterion for framing laws? Because social ethos alone cannot be the criteria to frame laws. If we consider only social ethos as a criteria, even majority of our society today believes in the caste system. Majority of our society still practicing dowry. But we frame laws against those social evils, right? So in the same vein, we need to provide legal recognition to the same-sex couple. Just because a majority of the society thinks in the conservative manner or the orthodox manner, we need not to deny the rights to millions of people. We often trumpet ourselves as the world's largest democracy. Can world's largest democracy deny rights to people? India is aiming for the seat in the UN Security Council. We trumpet ourselves as the world's fifth largest economy. What is the use of all these empty statistics and empty labels? Masculinity and femininity are merely labels. We need to recognize the love and the commitment of the same-sex couple. I hope the Supreme Court of India would give judgment in favor of same-sex couple. Only because of Supreme Court and the judiciary as a whole, the same-sex couple or the transgender, or else, I mean, to be precise, transgenders, they got legal recognition. After Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India's judgment, after Puttaswamy case, everyone thought that the linear progression would be the government of the day would provide legal recognition to the same-sex couple. As it is the election year, the government of the day may not have the courage to provide rights to the same-sex couple. I hope judiciary, being the custodian of the fundamental rights, being the final interpreter of the constitution, would recognize the same-sex marriages. And we as a society, we need to change our social attitude towards the same-sex couple. We need to embrace the social change. Once again, I would like to reiterate the fact that human rights are not the privileges conferred by the state. The citizens need not to stand in front of the state with a begging bowl just for the sake of recognition, for the recognition of their marriages. I hope government of the day would change its mind, and I hope judiciary would ensure the rights in a meaningful way and in a dignified way to the same sex couple. Jai Hind.